Hey everyone, welcome back to Jen's Creative Corner. How are you guys? I'm sure pizza on bread वाली रेसिपी ट्राई करने के बाद तो अच्छे होंगे ही. अगर नहीं की अब तक तो here's your chance. The link is available in the cards above. I was really overwhelmed to see the cards made by viewers after watching my first card tutorial. Thanks for not only watching but putting it to use on the occasion of Mother's Day. Today also we will do a simple card tutorial. Very quick, very elegant, diagonal fold card. But before we begin the fun, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon right next to it so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's begin by collecting the stuff required. अब colored sheets तो आपको पता ही है. I am using black, pink, red and blue. You can also use sheets with any print or pattern papers. But अभी market जाने की जरूरत नहीं. We will use simple colored sheets. बाकी सामान भी आपको पता ही है. We need a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors or a cutter, some Fevicol or glue for pasting, sketch pens and stickers for decoration. First step तो वही है. Cut a dark colored sheet into the required size. Here I am using a 21 by 14 cm black sheet. You need to divide this paper into 3 equal parts of 7 by 14 cm. I know आप सोच रहे होंगे Megha is obsessed with black. Well, I do like a black base because it can highlight any color in contrast. Besides, lockdown है इसलिए जो available है वही use करना पड़ेगा. Now, use the sharp end of your scissors to gently score the dividing line. This makes folding a paper quite easy. But be very careful while you do this. You can also use your ruler for folding the paper. Fold both the sides inwards. Now, divide the outer rectangles diagonally like I am showing using a pencil and a ruler. Again, you have to score the dividing lines and fold the sides, but this time outwards. And here you have your basic diagonal fold card all ready. It's that easy. For the next step, cut out 2 triangles of size 13 by 6 by 14.5 cm and 2 triangles in another color of size 13.5 by 6 by 15 cm. As I told in the earlier video also, the best way to do this is to cut out a rectangle first and then divide it into 2 triangles. I am using blue and pink for the job. I am pasting the pink triangles under the front flaps. You can be creative here and use any color combination. Similarly, stick the blue triangles on the flaps. You can also use any pattern papers if available. जब कार्ड बनाया इतने दिल से है तो एक दिल भी चिपका देते हैं. I have cut out this small heart from a red paper and I will stick it on the left side flap. Make sure to stick it only from one side, नहीं तो कार्ड खुलेगा ही नहीं. Here also you can get creative and cut out any shapes or write a short phrase like "Smile please" and paste it. Inside, you can paste a picture, write a message or make a drawing of your choice. And we are done! Look at this beautiful card prepared in just 10 to 15 minutes. Do try to make the card yourself and share it with me on my Instagram handle. I will definitely feature your card in my next card tutorial. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please comment down if you wish to see some other card tutorial. Please watch these other videos from Jain's Creative Corner and share them with your friends also. Thank you so much for stopping by. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, Jai Jinendra.